Hey guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and isn't it great when you have a little details for guests when you have an event, or maybe you want to give a present to somebody and give a different presentation to it? Well, I've been able to do so by creating memorable presents for some of my friends, and it is what I did for my bridesmaids when I asked them to be a part of my amazing and memorable day, my wedding. And these are the mini rustic wood place card holders. It comes with 20 pieces, and I love that they serve for numbering tables or for writing nice messages or even for gifting as part of a bigger present. I think this is such a great gift, especially if you have a rustic event or dinner. And these are mini, but they're still pretty visible. I love the fact that they're made of real wood, and that makes every single piece of the holders unique. And I really, really appreciated having these as part of my presents to my bridesmaids when I was going to get married. They matched my wedding theme perfectly, and they could match yours too, but that's just my point of view.